Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Bitcoin has finally taken the liquidity from the April 2025 lows. As you can see, this was the liquidity and it's kind of like relative equal low that I was watching before this massive bear flag played out and slashed everyone. Billions and billions were liquidated. So this is what I'm looking for, and so far we are reacting pretty nicely. I do hope that we get a massive squeeze or pump either today or tomorrow. Plus the government shutdown is finally over. I think Trump has signed a bill and they're moving forward, so I hope this will be a start for a relief rally because our coins are absolutely dead right now. But pretty simple TA for you boys. We have a massive multi-months, I think multi-year, this is like 2-year range probably. So pretty simple. I feel like everyone and their mothers is going to long this. So don't expect that we would squeeze all the way up right now. This could just chop for a little bit or even slice through, and maybe it could come down to the POC of this whole range. So I am looking at that as well. Hold on, because my indicator is lagging right now. I don't know why, but I feel like the POC should be right here because that's where most of the volume is traded. But I feel like the POC should be around 68 to 64, that area, because that's where, you know, most of the rejection is from. So I feel like that's where most of the volume is traded right now. So pretty simple. If we don't hold and squeeze here, we slice through, I think we're gonna get a bounce somewhere in this zone right here. So this is where I'm probably gonna look at for a bounce. Right there, if you can see, you know, massive resistance, we might flip that into support. So that's where I'm going to look for a bounce. But if you are long from the lows, if you're scalping this, make sure to protect yourself. Pretty good long on a higher time frame. I still think, you know, this is still looking very bearish, but bottom could be near. We don't know yet, but hopefully this whole range will hold. Because bro, if this doesn't hold, we're probably gonna come down here. You know, same with what happened here. So we kind of made like a bear flag, and then boom, drop, right? So bear flag, drop. So we might bear flag here, bear flag, go up, and then once you reach premium zone, boom, slice through, make another bear flag at the bottom of the range, then boom, slice through, and then we enter the bear market. Same with Ethereum right now. I actually missed this long. Would have been a nice long, honestly. So this was the level that I was looking at. We tapped it to the dollar, boys, to the dollar. That's why it's very important that you mark your levels. And I think if I caught it, this would have been like 11% move. But let's go to the lower time frame. If there was an entry, I think I wouldn't have entered, honestly, because there was no structure here, just a straight pump. I mean, you could scalp, like if you could see longs coming in, and you could just long the momentum. But ideally for me, I would prefer like a long like this. You know, I would wait for a displacement and then or inversion. Oh, I think this inversion would have been the play, to be honest. We do have a small inversion here, and then we tap that bounce. So this would have been a long. I think this is still a good long, in my opinion. So let's say you long here, stop below the low, just manage your size, and your target would be this. RR would not be nice. I mean, you could play with like that. Yeah, something like that would be also nice. So, you know, you wait for London to open, go up like that, and then target the highs. So that will be a 2.7 R trade, which is nice. So this is just a quick video, boys. I hope you guys are making a bunch of profits. I think bottom could be near. I want to trade the long for another bear flag to form. That would be nice. And then we short the premium again, heading to the bear market. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. If you do want to support the channel, I do have some links below, a bunch of links. Please use them. I do get some referral fees. That would help me long the market more if you use my link. All right. So thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.